Hey, hey, hey! Welcome back to Melinda's Homemaking Life. Today's video is a really quick 10-minute after dark clean with me. I have also thrown in some dinner inspiration. I've got my jammies on, I've got some work I have to get done, and I thought some Christmas music would put us in the spirit. Let's get started.
Oh, holy night, the stars are brightly shining. It is the night of the dear Savior's birth. Long lay the world in sin and error pining, till He appeared and the Spirit felt its worth. A thrill of hope, the weary world rejoices, for yonder breaks a new and glorious morn. Fall on your knees. Oh, hear the angel voices on night divine, the night when Christ was born. Oh, night, oh, holy night. All night led by the light of faith serenely beaming, with glowing hearts by His cradle we stand. O'er the world a star is sweetly gleaming. Now come the wise men from out of the Orient land. The King of the kings layeth lowly manger in all our trials, born to be our friends. He knows our need, our weakness is no stranger. Behold your King before Him lowly bend. Behold your King before Him lowly bend.
Oh man, you guys, that song gets me every single time. I always cry at church whenever I hear it, and it just has such a deep meaning in my home during the Christmas season and all seasons, actually. So I finished straightening up my kitchen. I have cooked dinner now and doing some touch up cleaning on my living room. I hadn't dusted in here in a few days and I wanted to go ahead and get that done. As you guys know, Tyler's going to be home this weekend and I don't want to be messing around with cleaning. I want to have all that stuff done.
Angels we have heard on high, sweetly singing o'er the plains, and the mountains in reply, echoing their joyous strains. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Shepherds, why this jubilee? Why your joyous strains prolong? What the gladsome tidings be, which inspire your happy song? Gloria in excelsis Deo. Gloria in excelsis Deo.
We are coming up to the end of our 10-minute after dark clean with me. Wanted to thank you guys so much for following along. I'll be sitting here wrapping presents until this time next year because I waited till the last minute. But don't forget, Jesus loves you. I'll see you guys on Thursday.